Hey everyone, welcome back to WD Coders. In today's video, we will dive into an exciting new feature of Angular 19, which is linked signals. So let's get started. Let's see the example first. So imagine we are building a e-commerce cart system, okay? The app displays list of the products, allows to users to add them into a cart, right? And automatically calculates the total price using Angular 19 link signals, okay? Let's see what we have in this project. Right now, if I open the browser, you can see we have the navbar and this is the cart text and these are the products. So when we click on the button, price should be added here and should be automatically calculated. Right now, this is the navbar component which I have created, and one more component I have created as a linked signal. So you can see linked signal demo. This component I have created for showing all the products, okay? Or in a shared folder we have the number, okay? Now you can see in the core folder we have models, services, okay? We did not write anything in the service file, and in the linked signal demo component.ts file we have the products data, okay, along with price. In the product.ts we have the interface for the product id, name and price. And in the navbar, you can see in the HTML page what we have. Right now we have input is a $0 in the cart. Okay. Now we will add a configuration for a cart signal. Okay. So I will add a signal. The type will be product and will be a array. By default, we will put a empty array here. So this signal we have been created, and this signal we will use in the pages link signal demo component and in the navbar, so that automatically price should be calculated and will be displayed on the screen. Okay. Now we will add a event in this button. Okay. So when we click on this one, we need to get the clicked product. Okay. Add to cart. This function I will create here, and we need a product. Here we will pass a product, will be like this. Okay. Now let's to console this one. If I open the console window here, so when I click on this one, you can see the clicked one is present here. Okay. Now we will inject a card signal in this component. Now we will update the card signal with this product. Now if I console here, what we have in this link signal card. Now if I check to the console, you can see data is here. And if I click to the second button, two records are here. Okay. Now we need to be update this total amount. So in the navbar file, first of all, we will import link signal service, and cart also I will take the record from the cart, and if I calculate the total price, I need to use the computed. This cart reduce total product total plus product dot price, and starting point should be a 0. Okay. Now one more thing. Now when you will click on the button, the amount should be updated there. Okay. Right now the total price we don't have how much we have, I think we need to be present here. Okay, total price, like this. Let's see what we have here. So right now we have a 0. Now if I click on this one, record is updating, but here we don't have the value. So that means what we need to do, here we need to be add the constructor, and we need to be add the effect. Okay, this dot cart, this dot link signal service cart. The same thing we need to be do. I mean, this same thing we need to be do. Okay, let's me copy this one. The same thing we need to do, and we need to be add the this here. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what we have. Now if I click on this one, you can see this is updating. Okay, that's great. So this we want to achieve. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.